I'm going to show you two products that I use to get the look. One of my secret kind of little weapons when I'm doing this look is to combine it with the Wow spray. So what we're going to do is we're going to take sections of hair and we're going to mist it over with the shine spray. The shine spray really is great because not only can you use heat with it, if you use heat with it, it kind of seals the shine in, but it also doesn't make the hair greasy, which is what I love. So I like to leave the roots a little bit straighter, just to prevent there being too much volume at the root. I like it to feel a bit more modern. And then I'll go in at the root, and usually I'll clamp it lightly, and I just move it slightly up and down. So I just rock the iron up and down slightly, not to create too much of a dent. And then what I'll do is I'll kind of clamp it a little bit deeper. And remember, I'm still rocking it, just so there's no super sharp lines towards the mid-lengths and ends. But you can see how we get this really beautiful wave, but the hair is still shiny. So to make it feel more cool and more chill, I'm actually going to do a flat iron wave, where I literally just push the iron around the hair, and I'm going to move the hair in the shape of an S. So I'm still getting the same kind of technique, but it's just a little bit flatter and not quite as poofy. To finish off with, I always like to break it down and add some of the pop and lock. This is a great product. It gives the hair a really nice shine, and it also kind of breaks the hair down a little bit. So I think anyone would want to wear this hair. It's a really controlled, deep wave. Although the waves are really deep, it's actually super controlled.